In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share draw.io diagrams. By the end, you'll have a shareable link to your draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, diagram with the correct view or edit permissions, ready to send to your team or client. First, open Diagram. Launch draw.io or diagrams.net and open the exact diagram you want to share. If it's already open, quickly confirm you're on the correct file by checking the diagram name at the top and the content on the canvas. Make sure any last changes you need are visible on the screen so the shared version shows the right information. Next, click File, then Share. Move to the top left menu bar, click File, and then click Share. This opens the sharing option so you can choose how others will access your diagram. Now, choose Method, Link or Export. If you choose Link, yes, you'll create a shareable URL that others can open directly in their browser. This is best when you want quick access or when collaborators need to view or edit the live diagram. If you choose Export, you'll generate a copy of the diagram as a file, such as an image or a PDF that you can send as an attachment. Export is useful when recipients only need a snapshot and don't need to work inside draw.io. For sharing by link, continue with the next steps to set access and send it out. Set permissions, view or edit. In the sharing panel, look for the access level controls and choose whether people with the link can view only or view and edit. Select view if you want recipients to see the diagram but not change it. Select edit if you want them to make updates directly. If you're unsure, start with view to prevent unintentional changes. You can switch to edit later if needed. This step is important because it controls exactly what collaborators can do once they open the link. Copy link. Once your permission is set, click the button to generate and copy the shareable link. You'll typically see a copy or copy link button. Click it once and the link will go to your clipboard. If you don't see a confirmation, hover over the field to make sure the entire link is selected, then copy it so you capture the full URL. Keep this window open for a moment in case you need to adjust the permission before sending. Send link. Paste the link into your usual communication channel, email, chat, or your project tracker. Add a short note that clarifies whether recipients can view or edit so expectations are clear before they click. If someone reports they can't access the diagram, I'll double check that you set the correct permission level and that they're using the latest link you just copied. If you previously chose export instead of link, send the exported file through the same channel and mention that it's a static copy for reference. At this point, your draw.io diagram is shared with the correct access, and your recipients can open it from the link you provided. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.